This is a review for T-shirt Confessions. I don't know if you're familiar with all the different ways of selling T-shirts on social media, like on Facebook. But these days, there are internet marketers making huge sums of money by selling T-shirts, and it's a lot easier than you might think. The way that you can set it up is you don't have to ever create a t-shirt yourself. You don't have to design one. You never have to even touch a t-shirt, but rather there are ways of connecting with businesses that's what they do is they make t-shirts and sell them. And so what you do is when you have the right steps and strategies, you're able to basically post different t-shirts that are for sale on social media platforms like on Facebook, and you basically post that or advertise for a t-shirt that people can buy. And when they purchase that, then you don't have to deal with anything except collect a commission from that t-shirt. But the trick is what ads or what posts do you put on Facebook and these other websites in order to get people to click on it and buy it so that you can start making that money. And that's what this specific program, the Setup T-Shirt Confessions, is all about. It takes you literally step by step through everything that you need in order to be able to make this a reality for you. As it says right here, this is Devin Farr, and he's saying, on the 7th of July, I'm exposing the most lethal Facebook and t-shirt marketing secrets of the mid-2015 and beyond to the world. And Devin is definitely the guy to learn from. He knows his stuff, especially when it comes to t-shirt marketing on Facebook. I'm absolutely shocked by what he's been able to do. And he says, I'm inviting you not only to be a part of this, but to collect a large sum of money in the process. He's basically taking his system that he's made huge sums of money through this method, breaking it down specifically, and putting it right in front of you so that you can take advantage of it now. T-shirt Confessions is a huge course. It really is massive, and it really packs in the value for you. It includes 17 modules to take you from A to Z of setting up campaigns and making money. And this is how people in the five-figure masterminds really do it. So there are those that are making 5 figures doing this and doing it on the side and setting up this process to where it basically creates an automated income for you. And it goes through not what these individuals teach, because that's great, but what they actually do. Like, what are the steps? We know people make big money selling t-shirts on Facebook, but what is it that they actually do? And that's what Devin is teaching. And so Devin will show you how to drive real traffic anywhere from Facebook and then convert it into profit, turn it into profit. How to successfully sell t-shirts through Facebook no matter what. And the only Facebook marketing course that you'll ever need, period. So not only is it really teaching you how to, make money selling t-shirts through Facebook, but it's basically teaching you everything about marketing through Facebook. The 5 steps to niche finding that dominate all the rest. So as you probably know, a great way to make money, especially if you want less competition, is through niches or niches. Because these are very specific clienteles, customers that are already excited about something. They're already actively looking for products or for t-shirts or whatever it might be in those niches. And so they're much more likely to buy than something that tries to target the entire world at once. How to create a news feed ad that sells anything in 60 seconds. That's a good one. The targeting secrets that got banned for even thinking of sharing, they really are insane. And it got Devin banned from the Facebook group just because he was contemplating sharing them. Because if you share these secrets, then that can take away from huge incomes from certain individuals. And so Devin kind of got the boot for wanting to share these exact secrets that he's putting in this course for you. How to promote t-shirts with free traffic that no one else is doing except for those at the top. So most people are only, paying to get traffic to sell t-shirts, but he's actually going to show you how to get free traffic, and that's one of those secrets that only the top people know, and a lot more in addition to that. Again, this really is the real deal. It's the 17 secret training modules that focus on helping you set up a 5 to 6 figure t-shirt business, and to do it as easy as possible. So you're not reinventing the wheel, you're not trying to figure out what works, you're not learning from people who've never done it, but you're actually taking the exact steps, able to implement them, and work to start making money right away. I mean, this course really does give you clear step-by-step instructions so that anybody from newbies can use it to those that are very advanced. But Devin really makes sure that he breaks it down into very simple steps. So literally, if you know how to check email, if you know how to get onto Facebook, you have a shot at really embracing the system and making great money. And he provides the amazing templates, the proven templates. See, there's specific little templates that you can use that are proven to make money with Facebook and t-shirt campaigns, and he's giving those to you. Perfect strategies, the exact strategies, as well as several extras that are pretty cool. So if you are interested in making money through Facebook, especially with selling t-shirts or really anything, but this is set up specifically for t-shirts, being able to make great money without having to create your own products, but basically just get a commission off every t-shirt that's sold, and be able to work towards a 5 to 6 figure income in such a way to where there's so little investment. Literally, Devin teaches you what some of the top marketers do as far as getting free traffic and not having to pay anything, to promote the different t-shirts. But if this is something you're interested in, then what I would do is go ahead and click on the link in the description just below this video, and you'll see the affiliate link there. And just go ahead and click on there, and then I'll take you to the page where it goes over the entire product in detail. And it shows you examples and everything, how the system works. And if you're interested in making money, I think this is a great system without having to spend tens of thousands of dollars to learn from the top marketers, but rather, just a very small fee. Go ahead and do that. And if you do click on the link and purchase through that, then I'll go ahead and send you my bonus. Just send me a receipt showing that you purchased it, and then I'll send you that bonus to you. Alrighty, thanks.